What's up, wavers? I'm back. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get 360 waves using the self-cut system. Last night I fell asleep with no do-rag on and woke up looking busted. So I'm gonna show y'all how I bounced back, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started by wetting my hair with a little water. That'll give me a little bit of a head start. Make sure my hair is manageable. I got some Jamaican black argan oil here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and comb that through, and that will even make it more manageable. Make sure I distribute it throughout my whole head. And it is about time for a haircut, by the way. I'm sitting on about 2-month wolf. I've just been doing taper fades though, so I mean the top is long. I'm here using the self-cut system, so I don't have to do too much turning around and all that. I can hit all my angles just using the self-cut system, so it's definitely recommended, and you can use my promo code if you want to get one. It's SKIPS10, and the link is in my bio. I got a hard brush here. This one is a Torino Pro, and the link for that is in my bio as well. Alright, and I got some Define and Shine custard here. I usually don't put too much in my hair, but this will really help me bounce back from sleeping without a do-rag on. And if your hair is too long, it'll start to curl you up, but this will also, it gives you a little bit of a hold, and it's easier to wash out than pomade. Here I got a medium hard brush, and this one is the Torino Pro 2, but this one helps me get my angles a little bit better. Just making sure I get all those angles, and it's really important to hit those angles if you're looking for 360 waves. And here is the lay down G. This will help reduce frizz, and it'll help lay down any of those strands of hair that like to stick up, especially when your hair is longer. But there's one for each hand, so these things are pretty good for helping define your waves. And you can go ahead and rag up after that. So that's the approach I take every time I'm stepping out of the house, whether it's going to church, going to work, wherever I go. And here's the reveal. So as you can see, I got a couple inconsistencies and still working on some forks, but it's getting better. That's going to be it. If y'all enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.